Glenn, this is for you and the architect to get a rough idea of some vision for the Trek space in the media center at West. Again, nothing is to scale and nothing is exactly as material or planned, but just an idea and a concept to be able to take a look at. Here's my camera. Here is the vision that the camera shows in 3D. Again, all a rough vision, so bear with me. Here's Computer Lab F101, if you follow my cursor. Here is the current place where the books are housed, where the Trek space would actually be. Right now, none of these partitions exist, obviously. This is an office space currently. Just to note, there's a doorway here right now that would eliminate that doorway and make this a straight corner, make this a hallway that would go down to these rooms. Again, this is all media center space if you follow my cursor. And the idea is you take a look at all these windows and partitions to really bring as much openness, see-through ability, and some natural light as possible to the entire space. So again, here's my camera looking from the outside. These glass doors mirror the other side of our media center that's there currently. I think that'd be pretty neat to have both sides mirrored. These glass partitions are right here. Currently, there are cabinets here in this part of the media center, and opening this up we thought would be a good idea to have maybe a half glass wall as much as possible that's there. Also, there is a sink that currently exists on the other side of this wall. Might be a great space for water and water bottles and some of those pieces to be filled up. There's also a sink currently over here. Again, putting something like this over there would be another positive idea. As I move my camera into this space, we'll turn it around and take a picture. What we're looking at on the inside here. Kind of flip-flop the view from the other side. Hit my camera. Again, you take a look, you can see the glass partitions between F101 going through would be F101. This goes back out in the media center. Over here would be the panel, electrical panel that is currently there, and here's the doorway back into another classroom space. So this would be the Trek space in of itself. If I go back and turn the camera and look into these small spaces, and these are all small breakout rooms, again similar to the other side of our media center. Again, these wall partitions are not to scale or not to size. These would be glass doors that could slide in between. And you can see I have windows back here. There's block wall there currently, but again, if you can bring natural light in there, that would be ideal. If you follow my cursor over here, there is an actual window that already exists. And as I move my camera into here and look through these 4 rooms, you can see that if we could have glass partitions between them, whether it's half glass or partial glass or something to that effect, you could bring natural light from the window that's currently there, possibly into the rest of the rooms if you can't, or it wouldn't be in the budget or anything like that to put actual other windows into the room. So, final view here. If I go to my camera and I look down that hallway that currently is the office, you make this again one hallway. There's the half partition going out in the media center, and again you have sliding glass doors on the very end here. Now my cursor is way down here, that's looking out that way, and you have glass over here to look out in the media center. You've opened everything up. You've got a functional space with functional furniture that you can move in and out and really be flexible. So again, starting place, lots of questions I'm sure, and we can sit down and talk about it. Thanks a lot, Glenn. I appreciate it. Hope this is somewhat a good starting place.